Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an Excel automation. In this automation, the requirement was to update these three pivot tables from sheet 2 if someone selects some different month. So if I'll select February in here and I will click on this update table button, you can see currently these are filtered with January. Now these are being filtered as February. The second requirement was whenever someone clicks this button, open pivot table 2 from the sheet 2 in a user form. So you can see if I'll click on it, it will show you the user form in here. Let me copy this button, paste in here, run it, and you can see these are the pivot tables. So whatever the values are in here in the grand total, those are being presented in here as well. The pivot table range can be enlarged, like there could be more and more and could be less than that. So if the entries are more, you will see a scroll bar just like this bar, just like on the right side. You will see a scroll bar like this to see the page. So that is it. These are the two functionalities. We can delete always from in here. And you can see this is, if I'll select February instead of March, I'll click on this update table. It will show you the March data. And if I'll click on it, it will show you the relevant results. So that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need this. Thank you. Bye.